I asked you guys on Twitter to show me some emotes that you are proud of, and you guys sent some amazing emotes. So if you're a beginning streamer and looking into getting some emotes, definitely pay attention because some of these emotes might inspire you for your own. And if you do like some emotes that you see, definitely go check out the channels. I will link them underneath in the description. I want to thank our sponsor, Own.tv. On Own.tv, you can buy your own emotes. So you go to Own.tv, Twitch sub emotes. We've got this line here and they're already animated. Look at that. And if you do not have any animated emotes yet, they also have normal emotes. And if you want to get something totally new and customized, you can also make emotes yourself. If you go to the homepage, here it says Emote Maker. And you know what the coolest thing is, guys? If you use code TREE, you get 50% off. Link is down below in the description. I've received some emotes that were animated. I've received some emotes that aren't animated. I've received some drawn ones, some actual photo emotes. So let's just jump into them. The first emotes I want to show you guys are from TwistyShape. He has animated photo emotes. So what I think he did is he just recorded himself doing some weird stuff and then cutting himself out in a 1:1 ratio and making sure that it's a GIF. This way he was able to use his face as an emote. I really like this one. The right one here where he's like it's just really funny, okay? I think they really look good, Twisty. I think you did a great job getting the emotions in. It can be really hard because you need to film yourself doing an emotion, but you need to over-exaggerate this emotion a lot because it's going to be displayed super small, and you want to make sure that people still see the emotion when it's super small. So make sure that you are doing it like extra. If you're mad, you're extra mad. If you're happy, you're extra happy. Otherwise, you won't see it in the emote. Let's go to the next one. These emotes are from the true SoulKing. We've got 4 emotes, tier 1 emotes, tier 2, tier 3, and 1k bits emotes. Because they are a SoulKing, they obviously have soul as one of the emotes. Really smart. Also, I like the Magikarp. Usually, if I find a Magikarp, hype is like literally the last thing I would do. But I appreciate that somebody likes the Magikarps. I'll make sure to link them too, so if you guys like to see the streamer or you want to like see more of these arts or something like that, you can find them all down below in the description. Let's see, what's my favorite one from the Stalking King? I really like the Magikarp. Just, you know, I'm a huge Pokemon fan, so I guess that's I'm a little bit biased on that one. But this is also really funny, the no salt one. We got Celsius here. Celsius is a friend of mine. He says that the image quality got down a little bit, but we can see the point. So it's really funny because with my Dutch channel, we did this community day, and it was all the way in the south of the Netherlands. And Kelvin, Celsius, he lives kind of far away, but for some reason we got him to bike all the way over here, which took him like 2 days to bike here. And now we all have memes about Kelvin being on a bike. So he actually implemented that to be one of his emotes. And now you can spam these emotes after each other and then you see him like bike through. That's really funny. And then we got Jinx It Up here. Jinx It Up has a really different and unique kind of style of emotes. So in this emotes we have this like glitch effect. It's really cool. I don't know how they did this. Like I can't really draw. For some reason I was able to make those Among Us emotes. But still, I can't really draw. I made them with shapes, okay? And this looks really cool and really complicated. Let's see, they sent more. Oh, then with the blanket. It's always nice to get cozy. It's always nice to get cozy, guys. And tea. We love the tea here, okay? So when I stream, usually my dad brings me some tea, and he's tea dad because he brings me tea, right? And so we have this emote with tea as well. But then with my dad being a cow, because I also like cows. It's getting really complicated, I know. And then everybody spams the tea dad emote when he comes in. So I really like the sipping tea emotes. And one where you're angry! No! No! As a part-time VTuber, I use my motto for my emotes. Okay, so this is their actual VTuber character. I put some tricks that I've seen somebody else do. Hope you like them. They're really cool, yeah. It's cool that you were able to use your VTuber as the emotes. That's super cool, especially because then they become recognizable because you're also that character. You're literally the same on your stream. I'm sorry, I looked through all these emotes already because like people send them in, right? And I get notifications on my Twitter. But I just had to laugh so hard about Rob's emote. RobDiesel, he's a Czech streamer. As in, not Czech, but as in Czech, from Czechia. Czech Republic. You can say both. And he's got like this emote here, guys. It looks so groovy. It looks so groovy, and I just had to laugh so badly about it. And then we have Emotes. I hope I'm not butchering your name. I probably do. I'm sorry for it. But they got this intense emote. This is really intense. I really like intense emotes because they're really small, so you want to convey emotion, and the more intense, the more you capture that emotion, right? And we've got this one as well, which is you know, yeah. What can I say? They're really in love. Let's say that. The next one we have is my friend Tom. Shout out to Tom. Tom is my my member here on YouTube. If you guys want to become a member of the channel, it's kind of like subscribing on Twitch. I do have this join button underneath the video, so definitely join if you want to. And Tom is one of our members. He's a real champ. And Tom got his emote made by Lady Taito. I hope I'm not mispronouncing it, but they were called Oxy before, and I know them as Oxy. And I didn't even know they changed their names, but apparently they did. Tom is always wearing a red beanie with safety on it, and he just really loves his red beanie. So this is like amazing. This just captures Tom, okay? Then the next one we have is Angel. Angel sent us a whole lot of them. I always get happy from seeing people's emotes. I don't know why, but it just makes me... I just love to see the creativity. I really love this one with the angry one, with the "this is fine." That meme is just so perfect. We've got one with like, where you're knowledgeable, one where you're left, pat on the head. I don't know. Please. A sip. Talk to my hand. I need to pick a favorite, right? Oh, the cookie one and the meat one. Those are also really nice. I think the "this is fine" one. Because Angel sent us so many of them, I want you guys to pick which one is your favorite and write it down in the comments. So I was talking about Lady Taito before, right? Who was formerly known as Oxy. They also sent in emotes. Yes. So they designed them themselves because they also designed emotes for other people. I've got the heart here. You got the happy one. And then we got the happy one. Oh, they have a really cute owl, and it's really cool. And it's so cool that they use the owl in emotes themselves as well. Because, I don't know, it's just really part of the stream. They have, like, owl cam. They don't have, like, a cat or a dog. They've got an owl cam. That's amazing. Then we got a fellow streamer helper. I'm TripleG. And he's got crazy neon ones. He's got a Shrek one. Maybe he is the real one. I'm not even sure. Maybe he is the actual Shrek. Then we've got this one. Oh my god, what's happening? The doggo. Doggos are always good, you know. Like, animals are always a thing. Like, people always love to use animal emotes. People just love animals. And we got the Bob Ross one. Oh my god, you are a shapeshifter. Shrek, Bob Ross, anybody. The next up is PP Mag. And if I'm correct, he probably likes JRPGs. I'm not 100% sure. Because I don't recognize the characters. This one could be Hanzo, but I don't think it's Hanzo. It's just another guy with a ponytail. But these look like they're gonna be JRPGs that I've never played. Yeah, these just look like JRPGs. They must, like this one and this one, that must be JRPG characters. If they're not, they nail that JRPG style. Oh, this is him. He is Hanzo. I swear. You do real life Hanzo. Do you got the muscles too? As I see, they do art, so it looks like they have drawn their own emotes. Middle-aged stream really likes beer. So their character is beer. And this is a Bob Ross beer. A detective with a question? Not just beer, also wine, apparently. I guess that's for the Mrs. Wine. And Mr. Beer. The line art's really smooth in this one. The next up is Linala. Linala actually made my emote. My cow emotes, so that's really fun. And these are Linana's own emotes. We've got cats. Oh my god, this tail is amazing. You can just add this tail to any of these cats and then they have a tail. That's a really good idea. And this would be one that my mods would use a lot when, you know, they see a troll. They're like, go away. Then we have Real Tall, and Real Tall does powerlifting. So they do sports, and they were in the army, so they have these army pants on, and they do powerlifting, so they gotta have to, you know, squat and stuff like that. So they got a thick booty emote to show that you can get a thick booty from all the workouts, right? Because who doesn't want to get that thick booty? Huh? And then the last one I want to show you guys is Outcast Andrew. This one is super cute. These are me as video game characters. I'm pretty sure this is Link. I'm not sure about this one. This could be... Let's see about the other ones. I don't know. I don't know about this one. It could be Kratos. But he doesn't have red here, so I don't think it's Kratos. It might be games that I haven't played. This one... too. This is a zombie game, so I don't think I've played a zombie game. This one has scratches too, so I don't think I've played this game. But I'm pretty sure the first one is Link. I would say the Wind Waker Link. I really like looking at your emotes. I don't know, get a nice feeling inside of me if I see you guys' creativities. I hope this gave you some inspiration for emotes for yourself, if you were still looking to get some. And if you like some of these emotes, make sure to check the creators out, because it's really nice that they shared these emotes to give the opportunity for you to learn from it. So definitely go check them out if you like the emotes. And then if you want to know more about emotes, I do have a video all about emotes, so let's jump into that video with me, and I'll see you there.